Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making Ayamase, aka Ofada sauce. It's a traditional Western stew made with just peppers and onions. So kindly like my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get down to business. Here I have my prepped peppers of green pepper, some onions, and some scotch bonnet. Now the green scotch bonnet, I've removed all the seeds, just like I did the bell peppers, because that helps to reduce the heat or the peppery sensation. In a pot, add your bleached palm oil. Now typically the palm oil is supposed to be more than this, but because I'm on a reduced oil kind of stuff, so hey. Now you add your boiled meats or offals to this, give that a good stir, allow it to fry for like 5-10 minutes so it's crunchy on the outside. So the whole palm oil flavor is entering into your meat. So with Ofada sauce, you're basically like developing flavors. Now we're going to add our iru. English name is locust bean. Now there are several types, but this particular one is used by the Yoruba people. So you give that a good stir, ensuring that it's not burning at the bottom. If we're using the right oil, then to be fine. Now add your coarsely blended pepper and onion mix. Now this right here, guys, is why the meat tastes so good. When you probably go to parties or you go to an Ofada joint and you're wondering that the meat is always so tasty, this is it. Because once you add the peppers into the meat as it's frying, it fries together and it simmers into it. So you're going to add the meat stock. No salt is needed because with Ofada is a dry sauce, so you can taste it and just add more bouillon cubes like I did here if it requires more seasoning, but do not add extra salt. If not, it will be so salty. Now cover that and allow to simmer. I use low heat throughout because I used small oil. Now you can see that the oil came to the top. Normally it's supposed to drown in oil. So if at this stage the heat isn't enough for you, you should go. I added my boiled eggs now, and I also added, like I was saying, if the heat is not enough, I added some whole scotch bonnet into this, like you can see here, but I did that off camera. Now give that a good stir and allow the oil and the whole essence of the stew seep into the eggs. Yoruba call it egg, but it's called eggs, and it's ready, guys. Just look at that. You can have this with Ofada rice. There's a particular local rice for that. You can have it with yams, you can have it with potatoes, you can have it with rice, just normal rice and plantain that you can see in this picture, or you can have it like me with yam, and it was so good. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me.